Hello everyone, this is Ralphio Figueroa, and today I'm going to give you a review, my honest review of email processing. This is my personal email processor's website that I created myself. Basically what they do is they pay you $25 per email you process. And it's very simple. You just sign up with one-time fee of $25, and then we show you where to place certain ads, and you just watch the people pour in and you start making income almost the same day. This my first day I made about $400, so I put in 25, made 400 my first day back, and I was totally excited and stoked. I didn't have to do any type of work. I just bought the product, got in the back office, did about 15 minutes of training, followed a step-by-steps, which only took me about another 15 minutes. And the next day, or the next morning, I did it late night, so the next morning my account had $400 in it. I was very amazed. But what I'm about to show you is I am 14 days in, I'm sorry about that, I am 14 days in email processing, and I have made, and I'm about to show you how much I have made. Let me show you today's date. Today's date right there. It is the 8th of Saturday, June 8th. Okay. Now what I'm about to do is I'm about to log into my email account so I can show you what I have made in 14 days. And there you have it. When I opened this account 14 days ago, I opened this I opened this PayPal account just for this business, just for my email processing. And 14 days later, I have a total of $12,925 sitting in my PayPal account. I am totally stoked about this. The system is running great. Their training is awesome. Took me 30 minutes to set everything up. Every morning takes me about 30 minutes to post what they tell me to post, and I just watch the income coming in. And now, as I repeat, this is 14 days later after I signed up. I have made a total of $12,925. So my review on email processing is it works. Don't think twice about joining. If you're ready to make money the legal way, without any cold calling, any marketing, any social marketing, any email blasting, nothing like that. Just to post a couple ads, maybe from 10 a.m. to 12 in the afternoon and make tons of cash. This is the system for you. If you've never made any money online and you're a newbie, this is the system for you. Say if you're a marketer and you have made tons of money online, this is also the system for you, because you'll make even tons more of money online. So like I said, day 14, I made a total of $12,925. My review of this is a thumbs up. So get in, join now, follow the directions, and make all that cash just like I did. And so I'm about to let y'all guys go. The link will be on the bottom of this description. So just click, join, and start making money. Till next time, guys, have a good night.